You're crushing it in the gym, nailing your nutrition, but still not seeing the results you expect. The missing link? Sleep. Here's why your time in bed is just as important as your time under the bar. Sleep isn't just a period of rest. It's when your body goes into repair and recovery mode. If you're not prioritizing quality sleep, you're cutting short your muscle growth potential. Let's discuss how sleep directly impacts your profits. First up, hormonal balance. Hormonal balance plays a pivotal role in muscle growth, with key hormones like growth hormone, cortisol, and testosterone influencing the process. Growth hormone, primarily released during deep slow-wave sleep, drives protein synthesis, tissue repair, and muscle growth. Lack of quality sleep significantly reduces its production, impairing recovery and growth. Cortisol, the body's stress hormone, naturally peaks in the morning and decreases throughout the day, but chronic sleep deprivation disrupts this rhythm. Persistently, high cortisol levels can lead to muscle breakdown or catabolism and hinder recovery. Testosterone, essential for muscle repair and strength development, is also sensitive to sleep quality. Research indicates that just one night of poor sleep can lower testosterone levels by 10 to 15%, directly affecting performance and muscle building efficiency. Prioritizing restful sleep is critical for maintaining these hormonal balances and optimizing muscle growth. Second, impaired protein synthesis. Muscle growth relies on muscle protein synthesis, or MPS, a critical process that repairs micro tears in muscle fibers resulting from exercise. Sleep deprivation disrupts this essential function by impairing the body's efficiency in performing MPS. This reduction slows down recovery, weakens the repair of damaged muscle tissue, and ultimately hinders muscle growth. Quality sleep is vital to ensure optimal MPS, allowing muscles to recover and grow stronger after workouts. Third, reduced workout performance. Reduced workout performance is a significant consequence of inadequate sleep, impacting both energy levels and coordination. Sleep deprivation causes fatigue, leaving you with lower energy reserves and diminished motivation, which hampers your ability to maintain workout intensity essential for stimulating muscle growth. Additionally, poor sleep impairs motor skills and focus, leading to compromised coordination. This not only reduces the effectiveness of your training, but also increases the risk of using improper form, raising the likelihood of injuries. Prioritizing quality sleep is crucial to maximize workout performance and ensure safe, productive training sessions. Fourth, decreased muscle recovery. Decreased muscle recovery is a direct result of insufficient sleep, which disrupts the critical repair processes your body undergoes during rest. Sleep is when the body repairs muscle damage sustained during workouts, reduces inflammation, and counteracts oxidative stress caused by intense physical activity. Without adequate rest, these recovery mechanisms slow down, leaving you with prolonged muscle soreness, persistent fatigue, and hindered progress in building strength and size. Prioritizing sleep is essential for optimal recovery and ensuring consistent gains in your fitness journey. Lastly, impact on appetite and nutrition. Sleep deprivation significantly impacts appetite and nutrition by disrupting the balance of two key hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, the hormone responsible for stimulating hunger, increases with inadequate sleep, while leptin, which signals fullness, decreases. This hormonal imbalance leads to heightened hunger and cravings, particularly for calorie-dense and nutrient-poor junk foods. As a result, sticking to a diet that supports muscle growth and fat loss becomes more challenging. Over time, this can derail your fitness goals by promoting overeating, fat accumulation, and inadequate nutrient intake essential for recovery and performance. Prioritizing sleep is essential to maintain a healthy appetite and nutritional discipline. How much sleep do you need for muscle growth? For optimal muscle recovery and growth, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Athletes or those with intense training schedules may benefit from even more. So how can you improve sleep for better gains? To optimize sleep for better muscle gains, start by maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, ensuring deeper and more restorative sleep. Create an ideal sleep environment by keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool, with a temperature around 18 degrees centigrade. Investing in a high-quality mattress and supportive pillows can also improve sleep quality. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bedtime, as blue light emitted by devices suppresses melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. Limiting stimulants like caffeine and nicotine in the evening prevents disrupted sleep patterns. Incorporating relaxation techniques such as meditation, reading, or deep breathing can help you unwind before bed. Finally, prioritize post-workout nutrition with a balanced meal or shake to support recovery processes, ensuring your body is ready for repair and growth during sleep. Ignoring sleep has far-reaching consequences that go beyond stalling muscle growth. Chronic sleep deprivation disrupts the recovery process, increasing the risk of overtraining and injuries. Without adequate rest, your body struggles to repair muscle damage, leading to persistent fatigue and diminished performance. Additionally, prolonged lack of sleep weakens the immune system, making you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. It also elevates the risk of cardiovascular problems, as poor sleep affects heart rate, blood pressure, and overall vascular health. Mentally, insufficient sleep contributes to mood disorders, stress, and impaired cognitive function, creating a vicious cycle that hampers both physical and psychological well-being. Prioritizing sleep is essential to maintain overall health, optimize fitness goals, and prevent long-term complications. In essence, sleep isn't just an optional part of your fitness journey. It's a pillar of muscle growth and recovery. Without enough rest, you're leaving gains on the table and sabotaging your hard work in the gym. Prioritize your sleep like you prioritize your workouts and watch your results soar. See you next time. Keep watching MedGrow and take care of yourself.